Welcome to Times of MGM. Myself Nidhi Rajpille. Today's main headlines are as follows. First of all, international news. Biden to focus on plans for US economy battered by COVID-19 as Trump presses long-shot legal claims. International Education Week kicks off today around the world. Various events to be held to encourage participation in study abroad opportunities. Now some national news. Karnataka Chief Minister B.S. Yedurappa has asked officials to set up a Maratha Development Authority for the benefits of Marathas living in the district bordering Maharashtra. A Rs 50 crore fund will be utilized for the financial, social, educational and development benefits of Marathas. Now some local news. Chhattisgarh government looks to crack down on staffers with fake certificates. The state's General Administration Department said a high-level panel constituted to look into the matter submitted a report last week and highlighted 926 cases of fake caste certificates from 2000 to 2020. Now some national education policy news. The National Education Policy NEP 2020 marks a monumental development in the country's human resource transformation that aims to disrupt the existing Indian education system with ambitious and generational reforms to meet 21st century skills agenda. Now some MGM news. On 6th of November, MGM team uploaded a video named Feats of Wonders on its YouTube channel Mar Theodosius Memorial e-portal, where Pranchi Dhruv, Prishita Umre, PL Sharma, Pihika Vaidya, Arush Patel, Adya Sahu, Stuti Kumari, Riddhi Dukre, Aradhya Diwar presented a wonderful video about household chores. MGM School Bhilai achieved 1.63k subscribers. Congratulations to the whole MGM family. So this was today's main headlines. Thank you and stay tuned for further updates.
Namaste, hello and good evening everyone. Once again with the second episode of MGM Gymnastics. I am here with you all, Lakshman Group, the teacher in MGM Senior Secondary School, Sector 6, Bhilai. Today we will know about activity of floor exercise, which is generally used for learning any advanced skills or tricks. Let's know about basic skills, what we are going to learn today. These are front walkover, second one is the right wheel. So before starting our today's two basic skills, let's know something about men's artistic and women's artistic gymnastic apparatus. As we know that there are 6 men's artistic gymnastic apparatus which are as follows: floor exercise, table vault, parallel bar, pommel horse, horizontal bar and cable. And for the women's artistic gymnastics, we have 4 apparatus which are as follows: balancing beam, uneven bar, floor exercise and table. And for the men's artistic gymnastic, time duration for the floor exercise is 70 seconds. And for the women's artistic gymnastic, time duration for the floor exercise is 90 seconds. And for the rest of the apparatus, there is a no time limit. Let's know about what is the meaning of gymnastics. Yes, without any doubt, I am very glad to say it. It is the mother of all sports and games. Yes, it is a mother of all sports and games. So you all do practice gymnastics. I would like to suggest you If you are not trained, if you are beginner, so don't try at home. Whatever practice we are going to perform, so don't try at home. Only if you are trained and you are taking training under the guidance of expert, you must do it. आज के हमारे स्किल्स को शुरू करने से पहले हम हमारे स्कूल की जिम्नास्टिक्स के बारे में जानते हैं. लेट्स नो.
Hello everyone, my name is Rita Singh and I'm from class 9I.
Hello everyone, my name is Anshul. I'm studying in class 7.
Hello everyone, my name is Karen and I'm studying 8E.
My name is Sherika Aisha. I am studying in class 5E.
My name is Parag Mandana from class 7C.
Hello everyone, my name is Sri Vijay. I am studying in 7th grade.
So before going to the step of let's choose acro skill, we have to know the basics movement skill. So for this, let's know how to learn it. So let's start. First, we will do the practice for the back flexibility, which improves our flexibility and stretches our back. So for that, we can do with the support of wall, standing arch. Then we can do various yogasanas like Dhanurasana, Bhujangasana, and for kicking leg, which is very needful and important for performing any of the skill in gymnastics. Okay. For this, we have to practice with the support of ball kicking leg. We can see. Let's start. In gymnastics, yoga plays very important role. So we have many asanas which improves our back flexibility, and as we all know that friends, flexibility plays very important role in gymnastics. So we can perform some asanas. Okay, Bhujangasana, Dhanurasana, Chakrasana, which helps us to improve our flexibility of back. Let's start. Bhujangasana, we can see in number 1 position, arms will be close to our chest. Keep your arms close to your chest in number 1. And now join your legs. If it is open, so you have to just keep your leg close. Now slowly we will train our upper body. 2, keep the breath. Look up. Why it is called here? Because our body posture shapes becomes like flat. So that's why it is called cobra. Okay, now this exercise hold for 3 to 4 seconds and come down slowly. Exhale your breath, सांस छोड़ते हुए नीचे की तरफ. इसी में थोड़ा सा हम अपडेट करेंगे कि भुजंगासन में वो कैसे देखिए. पैर को मोड़ लीजिए, दोनों पैर को बेंड करो. अब भुजंगासन करके आपके सिर को अपने पंजे से टच करें. चलिए अब कोशिश करेंगे सिर को पंजे से टच करें और रोक के रखें. इस एक्सरसाइज को करते समय आपको जर्की मूवमेंट का बिल्कुल यूज नहीं करना. ध्यान देंगे जर्की मूवमेंट नहीं, धीरे जाएंगे और धीरे से फिर डाउन बैक. So today one more asana we will see which improves back flexibility. Okay, so let's start with the Dhanurasana. Gymnast, get ready. 1, hold your leg. So in leg part we have to hold our ankle. Okay, this is ankle. Hold it. हाथ से पकड़ लेंगे अपने एड़ी को और धीरे अपने हाथ और बैक दोनों को धीरे upper and lower body of part of the body will be raised slowly up. Start. 1 and look up. ऊपर की तरफ देखेंगे, पैर को और ऊपर उठाएंगे जितना आप स्ट्रेच कर सकते हैं ऊपर की तरफ. ऐसे हाथ भी मोड़ना है. डाउन, नीचे आ जाएंगे. इस एक्सरसाइज को करते समय ध्यान देना है कि बॉडी एकदम जर्किश मूवमेंट नहीं होना चाहिए, जैसे कि ऐसे. ऐसा नहीं करना, ऐसा बिल्कुल नहीं करना. अगर आप बिगनर हैं तो आपको स्लोली यू हैव टू रेज द बॉडी अप. ठीक है, धीरे धीरे अपने बॉडी को स्ट्रेच करेंगे ऊपर की तरफ, जैसे अभी आपको करके फिर से चलिए। गर्दन ऊपर की तरफ है, पैर को आप स्ट्रेच कर सकते हो और ऊपर की तरफ उठाइए एंड डाउन। So friends, let's start how to do arch with the support of wall. So for this we need a concrete cemented wall and mattresses. And for this we have 3 gymnasts. They will demonstrate how to do arch with the support of wall. And yes, arch plays very important role in gymnastics. Either it is back flip or front walkover, back walkover, or any kind of movement. Gymnastics में arch का बहुत बड़ा importance है। So अब हम ये जानते हैं कि कैसे आर्च को परफॉर्म करना है सपोर्ट के साथ। चलिए, for this we will have 3 steps. So in first step we will do only upper back stretch, and as much we can stretch our upper body. So we will try to go at that level. Then second step off of the wall. Then third level we will come to the ground level. So let's see. Jump 1. Arms with ears. Relax. 2. Arms close to your ears. Now 3. Touch the wall. Hold. Only 1. In this exercise, we can check how much we can stretch our upper back and how much we can stretch our body to the wall. Okay. Up. So now after first level, let's do second level. How to jump 1. Get ready for the preparations of the second level of the arch. The support of wall. 2. Arms close to ears. 3. Now support of wall. 3. Now slowly we will come. 1, 2. Like a Spider-Man. Slowly come down half of the wall. Okay. And when you feel strain on your back, hold there for few seconds, 1 to 3 seconds, then only after that you will master. In this now you have to correct your arms straight, arms should be close to your ears, hold, arms straight your body, then up. Arms should come upward with the ears. So in third step, we will go to the ground level. Okay, so on the ground level, when we will go, we will touch our floor, that means mat. Okay, then we will come up with the help of support in initial position. So let's start. 1, jump. 2, get out close to your ears. Then 3, go back arch, then slowly come down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hold for few seconds. If you are beginner, hold for only 1 and 2 seconds. And if you are the advanced learner, so you can hold for 5 to 8 seconds. So in this arch, you have to make sure you are making the arch in a proper shape, like a bridge. Okay. Now again we will come up. So this is the practice for the raising your body upward after arch, and how to do arch without support of wall. So this is the basic and general practice for the arch. So we have to come up now, friends. So let's come up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Relax. Up. One more time. 1. Up. Relax. So now Deepika will show you how to do arch on palm. Let's start. 1, 2. Slowly come down. Now we have to stretch, hold the wrist and slowly stretch her body downward. If she feels pain, so she will call yes. You are feeling pain? Hold. And if player feels pain there, hold for a 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Relax. Okay. In second step, when you will be able to perform this exercise with the support of assistant or coach, you can go to the second level on palm arms. How to do that? बैठ जाइए as comfortable. So player will hold the pommel handle, okay, और जैसा वो कंफर्ट फील करता है वैसे वो दोनों हैंडल के बीच में बैठेंगे और दो इसमें आपको असिस्टेंट और हेल्पर लगेंगे, ठीक है, इस प्रैक्टिस को करने के लिए। तो अभी आप देख सकते हो मेरे साथ आश है जो कि स्टूडेंट ऑफ क्लास 7 और रुहिका विल शो यू हाउ इसको ही करना होल्ड पकड़ के रखना। नाउ इफ यू आर कंफर्ट लीव द हैंडल, गिव मी योर हैंड एंड रेस्ट होल्ड। ओके, आज स्लोली पुश डाउनवर्ड, नीचे की तरफ धक्का देंगे एंड पुल डाउन। ओके, now you can see here she is able to do and touch the mat because she has been practiced. She is very good gymnast, so her flexibility of back is good. Okay, so now it will be performed by Gaurans of class 7. Let's start. Gaurans, बैठिए। जैसा आप कंफर्टेबल फील होते हो हैंडल को पकड़कर, वैसे आप कंफर्टेबली बैठिए दोनों हैंडल के बीच में, ठीक है। और आपके पास दो इंस्टेंट और पोस्ट होने चाहिए जो कि आपका नीचे लोअर पार्ट ऑफ द लेग पकड़ेंगे और एक अपर पार्ट से आपका हाथ फोल्ड करेंगे, ठीक है। तो Gaurans धीरे धीरे आप हैंडल को पकड़ के नीचे आइए और आप पैर पकड़ के रखिए, तो नीचे दबा के रखिए, नीचे की तरफ पुश करेंगे, ठीक है। आप हाथ को अपने थोड़ा सा खींचिए अपनी तरफ, हाँ नीचे आप नीचे की तरफ फोल्ड करिए और जब Gaurans को दर्द यस बोलिए, जब और जा सकते हैं। Gaurans का बैक फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी बहुत अच्छा है और जब प्लेयर को दर्द होगा तो वहाँ होल्ड करते हैं और होल्ड अभी अगर बेसिक बिगिनर हो तो 3 सेकंड होल्ड करेंगे, 1 2 3। ओके, थैंक्स। कम डाउन इन द फर्स्ट स्टेप्स फॉर द आर्च with the help of one partner you can do, keep your arms straight and give it back नीचे की तरफ, upper. This is upper back flexing. Okay, with the support of partner. That's why it is known as a passive flexing. Before learning handstand, we should know how to do the kick. So kicking leg should be strong. So for this, let's do the practice with the support of partner. So gymnast ready. Left hand. So in command 1, you have to keep your arms straight, arms close to your ears. Number 2, raise your one leg as you kick or handstand. Now third, you have to place your leg and the rear leg will be kicked. Now again, you have to repeat this exercise 5 times if you are beginner and more than 5 times you can do 10 times repetition. So again, they will show you 1, 2, 3 and 4. While you are kicking your leg should be straight, toes should be pointed. So then you have to be able to kick your leg forcefully. So while kicking our leg for the handstand, so we have to keep changing our leg alternatively in both legs 5 times, 5 times. So in alternate leg, we are now kicking our leg. That's one. Arm should be close to your ear always, either close or cross. It should be up to the level of the shoulder and close to your ear. So it should be up. 2, 3, 4. In this, you have to make sure always you are kicking your leg as much force you can exert from your leg. So kicking leg, there are 2 types of the kicks we can do. One is rhythmically, stepwise, which we have just seen. Now in second types, continuously we will kick our leg alternatively. Let's see how to do. Gymnast, ready? Go close to the wall. Okay, your leg vertical speed. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, change your leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you are beginner, so how to do the handstand with the support of wall? Let's know. The first, with the support of wall, you have to do the handstand. Then afterwards, opposite of the wall, you can perform. So let's start. Just go close to the wall. Okay, now keep both foot on the mat. Raise your any one leg with the support of wall. Any one leg. Only raise any one leg. And now the another leg also will be parallel to that leg. And now slowly go back side, close to the wall. In this exercise, you have to make sure your body is measured straight or not. So you have to make your body correct. If you are not comfortable, keep your hips, your legs, your toes, shoulders, your waist upward. So in the gymnastics, handstand is very important. So unless and until you know handstand, so you cannot perform. For the basics and the beginner learner, you can do the practice with the help of balls, so then you will be able to use the balance without. Okay, let's start. Get ready. So with the count stepwise, my gymnast will perform and they will show you how to do handstand with the support of ball. Number 1, raise your arms. Keep your elbow tight. Chin up. Number 2, raise your ready leg. 3 and 4. Now in this time you have to keep your leg tight, bring your legs close to point. Leg in between your arms. Your arms should be tight, shoulder will be raised upward, leg should be in between, inside. No pointing. The back should not be bent. This back should not be arched so much, it should be straight. Come again. Right, shoulder up. You can see now, this handstand has balance on the most shoulder with the support of the. But here we can see this boy is unable to take a straight handstand. For this, he will have to be commanded and you have to take the support. Let's come again. Shoulder up. Arms close to your body. Okay. Now, head in, step side. Okay, down. So now, today's our first active skill, front walkover. So for that, we need mat and one gymnast who is trained. Okay, so let's start how to do stepwise front walkover. Let's see. One, command 1. Keep one arms close to your shoulders. 2, we have to raise only one leg up, and now 3 steps we have to land our leg, and the body should be lifted lean forward and forward. Kick. So this was the first before completing for front walkover half kicking practice. So now she will perform complete front walkover. Okay, so let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4. Keep your legs, hands, body, and so. So friend, if you are beginner, so for that, when you are trying to learn cartwheel, so how to do it? First step, let's see. In count 1, you have to keep your arms close to your ear. 2, 3. Okay, your leg. As much you can take your rear leg. Okay, so half cartwheel can be performed by you if you are unable to kick your leg upward. So let's start our second leg. This much you can do. If you are not able to kick your leg up to 90 degrees, so you have to kick in middle and lower leg. Wushu, for that you have to make it able to kick your leg like this. With bending knees also you can perform. If you don't have the confidence, so don't worry. You have to try to kick your leg first, because as we know that in gymnastics, daring is very important. So let's start again. So this is for the beginner. But after this, when you will be able to kick your leg, you will understand how to do the kick with a proper angle. As we all know that very popular proverb, practice makes a man perfect. Practice makes a man perfect. So how can we be perfect? If we keep doing practice, but it goes without scientific, systematic and specific training program or schedule, you can never do that. देखिए, मेहनत तो आप करते और कर रहे हो, लेकिन वो सही दिशा और मार्गदर्शन में नहीं, तो आप परफेक्ट नहीं हो। तो इसीलिए मैं इस चैनल के माध्यम से, इस प्रैक्टिस सेशन के माध्यम से आप सभी को ये बताना चाहूँगा, एक प्रॉपर गाइडेंस एंड ट्रेनिंग इज वेरी मस्ट फॉर लर्निंग एनी स्पोर्ट्स एंड if we want to improve our performance, if we want to be perfect, if we want to be best in the field of sports and games, it is must required and suggested to each and every children take proper coaching and training under the guidance of specific expert teacher. आप सभी को मैं बिल्कुल बताना चाहूँगा, इस वीडियो के माध्यम से हम आप तक हमारे प्रैक्टिस और ट्रेंड टैलेंटेड बच्चों के माध्यम से आप लोगों को कुछ सिखाना चाहते हैं कि आप घर बैठ के भी आप जिम्नास्टिक्स सीख सकते हैं। इसके साथ साथ हम आपको हर प्रैक्टिस वीडियो में 1 से 2 स्किल सिखाने का प्रयास कर रहे हैं और जितना ईजीएस्ट वे में हो सकता है हम आपको सिखाना चाह रहे हैं और सिखाते रहेंगे। आप लोग कोशिश करते रहिए, लेकिन कोशिश ये भी रखिए कि अगर आपके घर के आसपास ट्रेनिंग होती है जिम्नास्टिक्स के, आप वहाँ पर जाके ज्वाइन करिए, या अपने स्कूल में जो आपके टीचर्स ट्रेन करते हैं उनसे आप प्रॉपर सजेशन और एडवाइस लेते हैं। वेयर यू आर प्रैक्टिसिंग एंड मेक श्योर यू आर प्रैक्टिसिंग इन अ फ्री स्पेस एरिया। ओके, ऐसा नहीं कि आप घर के टीवी, गैस, फ्रिज के सामने कर रहे हो और आप तोड़ फोड़ कर रहे हो, जिससे आप घर की चीज़ें भी डैमेज करोगे और आपको भी इंजरी हो सकता है। इसीलिए एंश्योर करिए प्रैक्टिस करने से पहले कि आप जहाँ कर रहे हो स्पेस फ्री एरिया हो, हाइजीनिक एरिया हो और इक्विपमेंट का भी आप ध्यान रखें, सेफ्टी इक्विपमेंट्स का। सो एट लास्ट आई वुड लाइक टू सजेस्ट कीप डूइंग रेगुलर प्रैक्टिस, या तो जिम्नास्टिक्स करो या कोई और स्पोर्ट्स विच यू लाइक टू डू, बट डू प्रैक्टिस। सो एट लास्ट with the punchline of MGM Gymnastics, I would like to say, think gymnastics, feel gymnastics, do gymnastics. Thank you for watching us.
God that the brothers on the rise now. Endless celebrations all in my house. Levitating now, I'm super